Hello, I'm Shelina Elyse, your host for Cultural Dishcovery, and here's your tasty tip for the day. Have you ever had a recipe with a strange measurement like tad or a pinch? Well, let me tell you what those measurements actually are. I was very fortunate that my most recent set of measuring spoons came with weird measurements. So we're gonna start off with here a tad. So if anyone ever asks you for a tad, that is going to be 1/4 teaspoon. That's a tad. Our next measurement here, we have a dash. What is a dash? 1/8 of a teaspoon, if you ever need a dash. 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then our next measurement, there it is, a pinch. Just a pinch is 1/16 of a teaspoon. We have a smidgen, not a smidge, a smidgen. That is 1/32 of a teaspoon. And if you didn't think we could get any smaller than that, we have a drop. If you ever want to sincerely measure a drop, that is 1/64 of a teaspoon. Well, I hope you feel very well educated and able to tack any recipe going forward.